Our core business is insurance, so we help our clients to protect themselves from risk. We're not in the game of price, but in the game of providing value for our customers. Having to operate in over 170 countries gives us the ability to really craft ways in which we can manage these risks.
In this day and age, most customers interact with their insurer not directly but via an IT medium of sorts.
So it's to have a technology environment that is continuously up and running when our clients are needing us.
If the experience is poor from a technology point of view, then the customer experience will be poor, and that will reflect on the Zurich brand and the Zurich experience.
The world we live in is driven by technology, whether we like it or not. I would say technology is absolutely critical enabler for our business to meet the promise that we put out there to our customers. We live in an environment where you constantly need to review where you are and what's coming down the line. So you need to identify people that can help you with trends that are happening in the technology space. So when you have a multitude of service providers, there's an issue of ownership. There's an issue of accountability.
So we felt that bringing in one really strong IT partner would be of a real massive benefit to us.
We expect our partner to be part of our communities, people that could own a problem jointly with us, people that we could rely on 24/7. When you select a partner, you need to make sure that you understand the implications, which are I'm going to be tied and married to this particular partner for an extended period of time. I think Dimension Data fitted perfectly in terms of our plans and some of the things that we want to do in the future.
Yeah, I think Dimension Data as a global company matches Zurich as a global company in terms of footprint and operations.
I don't believe there was anyone that could compete and compare with them. The depth of knowledge really gave us a comfort that they understand what we require.
We expected it to be a difficult transition, and we were pleasantly surprised. It was a very smooth transition.
Well, one of the key things we had to change here was to move our data center from one provider to the other, which effectively says I have to switch off my entire technology landscape, pick up the boxes, put them in a new environment, put them up and hope they work. We had to switch off Zurich. It was a tense moment.
When I walked into the office on Monday morning after we had moved, and most people in the company did not know that we had essentially shut down our entire IT environment.
It was again executed at the highest level of quality. I'm hoping that as we grow older together between Zurich and Dimension Data, we're going to complement each other in making both our businesses successful.
You know, we're handing over the keys to a really important part of our business and saying manage this for us. And the fact that we can do that and not have any worries means that yes, we do trust our service provider to actually perform to the right level.
Things are working. We've never had any issues, and we've been very fortunate to have Dimension Data as a partner.